Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install n8n on your localhost for free. This video is going to be a quick and swift video, so let's get started into it. Before you can do this, you will need to have Node.js installed on your computer. Okay, so for you to check if you already have Node.js installed on your computer, do this. So I'm going to hop onto the search button right here and let me search for cmd. That's to open up the command prompt. And here we have the command prompt. So for you to check if you have Node already installed on your PC, just go ahead and type node-v. So when you type node-v, you're going to see the version of Node that you have. But if you don't see any version, if nothing happens whenever you type node-v or node-version, and that means you don't have Node installed on your computer. And to install Node on your computer, head to the first link in the description of this video. Click on that. It will take you to Node website. That is the nodejs.org. Just click on get Node.js and go ahead and install Node.js on your computer. That is not what we're trying to look at in this video. So when you have Node installed on your computer, go ahead to search for node-v, and if you get to see the version of the Node that you have on your computer, that means you already have Node installed on your computer. So now you can continue with me in this video. Now from the same command line prompt, go ahead and type in npm install n8n-g. The -g means you're trying to install it globally on your computer. So after that, go ahead and hit enter. And this is going to take some minutes, approximately somewhere around 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when the installation is complete. While installing it, if you see some errors or warnings like this, there is no cause for alarm. This is because n8n still uses some outdated versions of some of its dependencies. And now we have our installation complete. So the next thing to do is to run the n8n server. And you do that by running the command n8n and you press enter. And guys, you can see that right now n8n server is running. You can press O to open it automatically onto your browser, but it might not open it with the browser I want. So I'm just going to copy the address right here. So for you to copy something from a Windows command line, you have to highlight whatever you want to copy and just right click. Whenever you just right click, the highlighted item is now on your clipboard. So I'll just open up a new tab and then I'm going to paste what I just copied right here, which is the address, and I hit enter. And here we go with the setup window. So I'm quickly going to set this up right here. If you're typing in an email, make sure that it's an email that is actually available, because in there you're going to be receiving the application activation code. So I'm just going to enter my email name. Now you're gonna have to type in a password, so select the password for yourself. For me, I will choose my own password and I do that. And then I click on next. Right here is waiting for more information. Just go ahead and fix that up. So here, let's say software as a service, it doesn't really actually matter. Let's say IT engineering, whatever. So I'm just gonna select business owner, automation myself, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and select random things since I'm just, trying to teach you how to do. So here, I'm just going to select YouTube and I'll click get started. It does not actually really matter. On this window, as long as you have your email right here, you're going to click on send me a free license key. Okay. And now the next thing to do is to check our email if you can see the n8n license key that we just sent. Okay. So let me head back to my email right here and you can see I have it, the n8n. So I'm just going to click on that to open that up and you can see the license key. So I'm just going to copy that out right here, copy and click on the activate license key. And that's it guys. Our application license has been confirmed and you can now go ahead to use n8n locally as you wish. Okay, so that's all I have for you in this video. If you learned something, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't leave without subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on the notification. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.